Wanted to let you guys know that Saker sent me a saw to review it. It's pretty small. I've not ever seen a chainsaw that small. You put a little bit of oil on it before. You're supposed to take this loose according to their instructions, and then you charge it. It gives you a little charger that plugs in right there. Slides in like a DeWalt. It's lightweight like a DeWalt. I just haven't seen this small. And I put that. You can put vegetable oil, which is quite common, on the chain. Each time you charge the battery, whenever it sets for a while, you want to put some vegetable oil on it, which is interesting. But to show you what it can do, we got to try it out, which is what they wanted us to do. It's a pretty good sized tree, so
oh!
Hey, I get down to that from there.
Wow.
It's pretty interesting. Try it some more.
Okay, a coward behind the camera. Wow. Is that going to fall on our heads?
It's heading towards you.
Okay, I'm not in a good position. Oh! Jesus! Okay, and we didn't fully charge it before we started. And he's reviewing it, but I'm stealing it. That is going to be mine.
So, it's pretty handy.
That is flipping cool.
So you could be climbing up the ladder and not have to crank the chainsaw. It'd actually be this way. And I don't think she wants this tree right here.
Not really. No, I don't. Absolutely. Do not want that tree. Wow, look at how fast that thing goes. I think I'll leave that in. Pretty cool. I have to say, that's a pretty cool little tool.
You take that cover off, I believe. There has a wrench that comes with it to tighten and loosen the saw. Now, I would imagine underneath this little plastic cover, which I haven't opened it up, I'll have to pop it and then tighten it up right there. But I'll look at it and see. It's a...
Hey!
That's a dead limb. Trying not to get me to cut her flowering trees. So, it works pretty good. It doesn't pull real hard. Has a kind of a... I don't know if the cover will last, the guard will last very long. But it's pretty cool. I like because I can climb into a real tight place and cut. She's obviously going to take it, so...
I like it because it's little and I have little hands.
So that might be the actual real use for it, is for not having to have a big old chainsaw to go out here and cut some of the smaller trees. Hope that helps you guys. It's Saker 20-volt chainsaw.
And we'll put a link to buy it in the, probably an affiliate link
It's pretty useful. I would say I would definitely... now I know how well it works, I probably would buy it anyway. Fortunately, they gave it to me to review, so she gets to have it. So, I hope you guys get something from that. But Saker 20 volts surely seems to work good.
works pretty good, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Ow!
Yeah, you don't want to get it bound up. Hang on to it.